This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view all of your interactions you've made on Instagram. Interactions would be comments that you've made, posts that you've liked, story replies, or any reviews that you have done on Instagram. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I got my phone opened up now and I am on the Instagram app. To view your interactions on Instagram, first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. From here, you will tap on your activity. And right in here, interactions. You can tap on that. And it gives you 4 different categories here. You could look at your comments, your likes, your story replies, or your reviews. I'm going to tap on comments. These are comments that I've made. I'm going to go back. I'm going to tap on likes. I could scroll down. These are likes that I have done on people's posts. But that is how you view your interactions on Instagram. Thanks for watching.